Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today in this video I will talk about Free Fire error when you open your Free Fire, and here is error occurred Free Fire loading problem. So in this video I will talk about all error solution. Watch video till end and also subscribe my channel. Let's start video. Go to your main setting and open apps and notifications, and here search Free Fire app and open Free Fire app and go to storage, and here is clear cache and come back and go to data usage and check your background data. If it is not enabled, you can enable it and come back and check your problem is solved or not. If it is not, you can go your Play Store, and here is search 1.1 faster and internet app and install it, and you can connect your phone and play your game. If your problem is not solved, you can robot or you start your phone, and then your problem will be solved. This is for today. If you like my video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.